Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to show you how to use this Amazon Basics Gravity Pet Waterer. So it's real simple. When you get it, you just want to check it around and make sure there's no cracks or anything, or any kind of bends in the plastic that could mess up how the water sits, because we want to make sure that the water fills up the bowl but doesn't overfill. So all you need to do is take the valve off. Check and make sure there should be a nice springiness to it so that it'll let the water come out, but it won't let the water all just run out. And then you're just going to fill up your water bottle. But when you fill up the water bottle, you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. You want to fill it maybe about 3/4 of the way to 80% full, to allow for the gravity mechanism to work properly. Put the top back on nice and tight. Keep it secure but not too tight, and check that little spring-loaded valve and make sure everything is working properly. And then you're just going to put it on the thing, and you should see air bubbles come up, and that means that the spring valve has been depressed into the machine, and that means that it's all working properly. And you'll see the water start to come out, and the water should fill up to right as you see in the image.